Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't, and today we are going to find a cheap product with free shipping on ebay.com and hopefully free returns also. So here I am opening ebay.com for the first time in this browser so that it doesn't give me already searched items. Now I want to buy a card reader, all-in-one card reader. So I am going to first of all search for it and look for a type which I want to buy. It doesn't list it, so let me change it. Try changing the search terms to get your desired product type. So this search term works perfectly fine here. And you can see I want to buy this type of product. If you want others, you can look down. Now here you can see that we have $6.5 of shipping and this much product price. So we are going to reduce it. First of all, just click on this, the product type which you want. And now if you scroll down, you will be having same type of product listed here. Like you can see sponsored items in here. This is the one which gives you free shipping and its price is $3.98. So let me open in a new tab. And if you go to the right, scroll down, go to the right in this column. And if you scroll down more, there are nothing. So let us go to the second tab now. Select the color and you see the price is $3.98 with free shipping. So let us find more product of same type. Here you see it shows 4.18, so it is not less than this one. We are going to keep looking for it. In this line also we don't have the product. Scroll down. This one gives you 3.49 plus $0.5, so it is around $3.99. Not a good one, not a cheaper. Let's go to the right. No. Scroll down. And we are not finding a cheaper product than this one. But I know that we will find. Let us open some of the links from these ones. And in the last, we were having somewhere here this one, 3.99. Let us open a couple of these. Okay, let us see both of the opened tabs. Here we get 4.18. Let us scroll down. 3.98. The previous was 3.98, same. Go to the right. This is cheaper, but it is 2.0 and we want 3.0. Let us open it once. Scroll down. Scroll to the right. Nothing in here. Let us open this another tab. It says 2.0. You have to keep looking for it, the cheaper product. In around 5 to 10 minutes, you will be able to get a cheaper product with free shipping. Let's open this one also, $4.04. Let us try this one too, which gives you no free shipping. We just have to look under this product details page. $4.04. Scroll down to the right. Still we haven't found the cheaper product. Another page, and here it is, but we have to pay $0.5 for it. Let us open this page also. Now finally we got the right product. You can see this is $3.32 with free shipping. This is the cheapest, and this is $3.49, which is not cheap one. This is which is the final one, and we also have the same price product right here also. So let us open this too, and if we go to the right, now we can see $3.49 price tag USB card readers too. But the one that we have just opened are the cheapest till now, right? So let us go to them now, and let me close all others because we don't want them. Select the color. I want to go for the black one so that it doesn't get dirty. Now if you scroll down and click on see details for this shipping, here you say that seller pays for the return shipping. Let me maximize it. You are seeing seller pays for the return shipping. And for the other product at the same price, if you click on see details for the shipping, you see that buyer pays for the return shipping. So we are not going to pay for the return shipping. So let's cancel it and let us order from the one which says seller pays for the return shipping. So we don't have to pay anything for the shipping, whether it is coming or going back to the seller. So I have also ordered this same product from this seller yesterday itself, and we found this cheapest product in around 5 to 6 minutes. So this way you can search for a cheap product with free shipping on ebay.com. You just have to search here first, then open any of the products and browse these rows. There are around 3 to 4 rows on every product page. You just have to keep browsing them for around 5 to 6 minutes, and you will be able to see the cheapest product with free shipping on ebay.com and order it before the price becomes high. So now you can successfully subscribe to BoostUp Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.